on, please, I want to teach you how to make a garlic bread.
I didn't know you spoke Italian.
Where's garlic bread from?
Poland.
Well, the bread was from the bakery, but...
Bread was from the bakery, wasn't it?
Butter's from
We made
supermarket. Yeah, but we roasted the garlic off.
We roasted the garlic off.
We've made our own garlic butter.
We made our own garlic butter. If you see a video earlier, we made our own garlic butter.
And today we're going to teach you how to make your own garlic bread.
And this garlic bread will blow away any garlic bread you're going to buy forever.
You know when you go to the shop, you buy garlic bread and it's in a little cellophane, you take it out and it feels all greasy and horrible.
Don't want all that. All you got to do is get a ciabatta.
Ciabatta, you know, like our mama made.
Roast off some garlic for 20 minutes, 15 minutes, however long it takes. It all depends how big the bulb is. Get yourself some butter at room temperature.
Mulch it down.
Mulch it down.
Give it a mix. Get busy.
Get busy. So, we're going to show you how to do it. Right, Brad, nice cuts.
Nice cuts. Remember my...
That's it. Look, there's a little trick he's doing. Look, you can't cut yourself.
Can't cut yourself. Hold that there. About there?
Yeah.
We want an inch apart.
About an inch apart.
Yeah.
Go for it, go for it.
About there?
Oh, yes.
Again?
Go on.
Hey?
Go on.
Hey?
Look at that, look at that.
Hey, this can go far. My kids love garlic bread. Yours?
Oh, love it.
They eat so much.
Do you know what? This would have been nice, actually, in the homemade tomato soup we made.
Oh.
This would have been gorgeous, wouldn't it?
Rustic bread as
Rustic bread. We're going to stick it back in the oven in a minute. We're going to put some butter on it, our garlic butter. We're going to get that in it as much as we can. We're going to put some olive oil over it. We're going to put some salt and pepper on it. And what I'm going to do is, which I've never told Bradley because I've just thought about it, is I'm going to get some rosemary on there.
Oh, baby.
Mate, we're going to get some rosemary on there as well.
That's going to be pucker.
I'll tell you what, rosemary and garlic bread.
Beautiful.
Oh, yes. Look at that.
Here we
sorry,
go.
dropped a little bit there. That can go in there. How you doing with your cuts, Brad?
I've got about 3 more to go.
And then you're all right.
I should have got... Listen, I don't need to get a tape measure out.
Nah.
Because I'm a builder, you see.
You're a builder.
I'm a builder, so I know about equal measures and cuts.
And quantities.
And quantities.
Quantities and stuff like that.
It's all an estimation.
Right, bit of butter.
That's a very good estimation though, isn't it? Let's have a look.
You've done well. You've done well.
Oh, you're good.
Hey?
You are good.
Right. Get that open.
Should we go?
Bend it at the back. So I've gone 3/4 of the way through, so you can bend it at the back, yeah?
Start going, Brad, with it.
He's whispering again.
You know when I'm whispering, you know
When you're whispering, he knows he loves it.
Let's just go with it. Let's just go.
Get it in,
right,
brother.
Bend around a little bit. Let's get some butter in there. Let's not mess around.
Want a good bit in each.
Each one.
Good.
Nice
Don't be
bit of
shy.
butter. Don't be shy. Don't be shy with it. Look, get some in there, mate. Get some in there. Oh,
Would you like me to hold it open for you?
Can you hold it open for me, Brad?
Yeah.
That's it. You hold it open and I'll spread,
And
yeah?
spread. Go
You
on.
hold it, I'll
They
spread
call that
it.
teamwork, cuz.
Teamwork. You
Look
hold
at
it, I'll
that,
spread it. Look.
Oh, look at that. Go on, do it again. Do it
Here we
again.
go. Look.
Oh,
Swipe.
do it again. Do it again.
Look at the swipe as well.
Look, are you watching? Are you watching?
Swipe.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, swipe.
Swipe. Oh, bosh.
I see. Oh, this is going to be something. Look,
This
what
is
swipe?
proper,
Look, bang.
Bosh.
Here we go, mate.
Load it up.
Load it
Load it
up.
up. Last one.
Last one. Oh, that bit's going to be mine. Right, so now what we're going to do is, Brad, should we get some rosemary on it?
Get some oil on it first.
Go on.
Drizzle of oil over the top, yeah? That's what you want.
Go on, nice bit of oil over it. Oh, mate! I'm going to put some salt and pepper on
You
that,
put
Brad.
some salt and pepper
I'm
on
going
it.
to salt and pepper that up. Look.
You salt it, I'll do the pepper. Here we go. Lids on again. He's done me. He's done me. I'm wondering that ain't coming out.
Yeah. Bit of rosemary over her. Look at that, Brad. Look, Sam, what do you reckon? A little bit of rosemary. Not too much rosemary, though, because it's a strong herb, isn't it, rosemary?
Very strong
It's a woody herb. It's strong.
It's like smoky and nutty.
You could do that. You could do
Smoky and nutty.
You could do that with everything,
Hi.
couldn't you?
Smoky and nutty.
Oh, yeah, you got to move.
Right, straight in the dish. Oven's preheated.
Here we go, Brad. Look, let's get all that salt and pepper on there.
Drizzle more.
Go on, why not? Why not? It's there, use it.
Olive oil is good for you, isn't it?
Yeah, of
That's
course
what the
it is.
Italians say. They cook with olive oil, everything.
Forever, don't they?
Hot.
Right, that dish is hot, Brad.
Hot.
That dish is
You do
really
that
hot.
then.
I'll do that, shall I?
You do that. If it's hot, I'll stand back.
You stand back, Brad. Get the fire extinguisher
Look
ready.
at that.
Ready?
Yeah, baby.
Oh,
this
this is going to be
is
something. How long do you reckon? 3-4 minutes?
max.
Maximum, isn't it?
Max.
Got the oven on. Bosh, in there. 3 or 4 minutes.
Come back to us in 3-4 minutes.
We'll have a tidy up.
Back in the garden?
You're back in the garden for a
Sunbathe.
Alright, we'll go for a sunbathe this time.
Bye.
See ya. You know when we put our hats on, it means we're ready. We have to come in from the sun.
I haven't put me out on yet.
No. When we put our hats on, we're in camera mode.
There we go.
Hats
There
on.
we go. Right. So, what was we doing?
We was cooking garlic bread, homemade garlic bread with ciabatta.
Ciabatta.
I sliced it up evenly. You made some thick garlic butter.
Oh.
We are ready.
We even threw a bit of rosemary on it.
Rosemary on top. It's
olive
looking
oil.
delicious, it's looking golden. Bosh it out, lay it on the side, cut it up, bosh, bosh, bosh. Get out of there.
Are we ready?
Get out of there.
Are we ready?
We're ready.
Are we ready for this?
Ready!
Here we go. Here we go, mate. Here we go. Here
Go!
we go.
Oh, have a word, will you?
Have a look at this. Hold up a minute.
Have a word, will you? Let me get
Let's
this
grab this up
serrated.
here.
Let me get this serrated.
Look at that, mate.
Oh.
Look at that
Hey.
little baby.
Hey?
Oh,
Hey? What are you
Sam,
saying,
What
cuz?
do you reckon,
Looks
mate?
good, looks good.
You're
looks
going
good.
that way then, yeah?
I'm going this way.
Oh, there's your knife.
Thank you, knife.
Here we go.
Right,
Right.
mate. Come on. Let's get through it, mate.
Oh, she's hot, boy.
Yeah, it should be warm.
She's hot, boy.
Should be warm, mate.
Oh,
Let's have a look. Let's have a look.
drizzle a little bit more on there,
Look,
brother.
look. Hold on. Here we go.
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, bro, that looks nice.
Oh, yeah. You know when they make it in the shop, too greasy,
It's horrible.
horrible,
This is fresh.
homemade.
Ciabatta. Look. Look at that. Look at all that. Oh.
Which one, mate?
I'm gonna have a few of them. I'm gonna have a few of them.
Sam likes bread, but I think he's a little bit bloated from
He's
today.
bloated. We've
Wow,
done quite a bit
actually
today.
do.
We've done quite a
Are
bit.
you bloated,
today.
G?
Oh,
Can you eat any more, cuz?
I
You
can't.
done?
I'm
Completely
finished.
done, mate.
He said, I've got to go out tonight.
That's
Go on, mate, you lost your finger then, cuz.
alright, that's alright. Look at this, look. Bit of rosemary in there as well. Look, I'll tell you what, mate. Look at that, Sam. Look. Oh, mate. That is unbelievable. That is unbelievable. We're going to go again, are we? We're going again with it. Are we going to just fancy it up a little bit?
Just
are we?
jazz it up,
Cook it up a little bit.
bring a little bit of colour to the situation.
There we go.
That's what they do, this is what the chefs do, yeah?
Yes, they do, look.
But bearing in mind we're cooks,
We're
this is what the
cooks,
chefs
mate,
do, right? And they go and ask you an arm and a leg for that.
Look at that, mate.
Arm and a leg for that.
Look, come in there. Sit that on there. You going again?
No, what I'm going to do,
You going again, are you?
no.
Putting a bit of butter on the
A
side.
little bit of dipping.
Oh.
A little bit of dipping.
Little bit of dippy.
Take that
A
away.
little bit of dippy. Right, let's clean
Take
it
that
down.
away. This is how you make it look pretty.
Clean down, look.
Presentable.
Bang, bang, bang. Clean her down. Here we go. Off she comes. Clean her down like that. Bosh.
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 And that's how you make homemade garlic bread.
Brad. Sam. Come on, Sam.
I've got our hands.
He's done, hasn't he?
Cheers. Bosh.
Until next time.